Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm working on an HP EliteBook 840G5 that has a very common but frustrating problem. The laptop is charging perfectly, but it simply won't power on. No matter how many times you press the power button or even change the charger, nothing happens. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what the issue is, and step by step, how to fix it safely and professionally. First, let me show you the problem. As you can see, when I connect the charger, the charging light turns on, so the laptop is charging normally. But when I press the power button, there is no response at all. We tried multiple times and even used a different charger, but the laptop still didn't turn on. Alright, let's begin the repair. I flipped the laptop over and started removing all the back cover screws. Make sure you do this very carefully. You don't want to damage any clips or cables once the back cover is removed. Here's the important part that often solves this issue. 1. Disconnect the CMOS battery. 2. Disconnect the main battery pack. 3. Now, press and hold the power button for a few seconds. This drains all remaining static or stored power from the system. 4. After that, reconnect the main battery and the CMOS battery. Now let's turn the laptop on. And as you can see, it automatically powers on. The BIOS might ask you to adjust some date and time settings. Just correct those and continue. The laptop is now fully back to normal, and the power on issue has been completely fixed. This method works for many HP models that face the same problem. I hope this video helped you solve your laptop issue. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more professional repair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.